Hey friends, if your PC keeps freezing randomly, then I'll help you with the solutions. And here's the thing. Now, if you check for solutions across other articles on the web, you will find countless of them, like countless of them, because everything fits into this. There's a whole series on high CPU usage, which is application specific for this issue. Now, I'll give you the exact solutions, the easiest ones. First of all, search for Task Manager and open the Task Manager window. Now 99.9%, I would have said 100%, but nothing is 100%. So 99.9%, either the CPU usage or the disk usage would be approaching 100%. And when these two parameters are approaching 100%, then it would be in red and then the CPU will be freezing. You can check the process which is causing high CPU usage and troubleshoot it accordingly. Usually, it is a bloatware, or maybe if it is related to Windows update or a specific background process, then it is better to wait for some time. Restarting the computer can also solve the problem. Now, here are things that you can try in this case. So the first one is to perform a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Select C drive and even other drives. Check all of these boxes and click on OK, click on delete files. I'll tell you why disk cleanup will be helpful, because a lot of files are stored in the recycle bin. And when they're in a recycle bin, they're not exactly deleted from your computer. These files take up a lot of space in the system, and disk cleanup will delete these and other cache and temporary files. Now here's the second thing that you can try. Uninstall recently installed apps. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab and install apps. Make sure that it is sorted by date installed. If you check the query by the original user, he is actually using a gaming computer because he has RTX 3050. Why else would he use this computer? So he must have installed a heavy game, but his CPU is not supporting it because it is a Core i5 CPU. So if you're using a Core i5 CPU, then that serves as a bottleneck for a 16 GB RAM and a GeForce computer. In this case, you may not be able to run your computer smoothly with a few games. And in that case, you'll have to delete those games. You'll have to uninstall those games. So as an example, I'll pick up this application, click on the three dots associated with it, select uninstall and then uninstall once again. The first solution was to perform a disk cleanup. The second solution was to uninstall applications which are consuming a lot of CPU space or a lot of disk space and a lot of memory. And the reason is that your system is not able to handle it. Now the third solution is the obvious one. Let us say that this was a Core i7 computer, but the RAM wasn't 16 GB. Let's say it was 6 GB or 4 GB. Now 4 GB RAM is sufficient for running Windows 11 and 6 GB is good enough for that. But if you're running a game, then you'll have to fulfill this bottleneck. So add more RAM slots, or if needed, add an external graphics card if you have a desktop computer. So make sure that there is no bottleneck on your computer for the applications you're using. And once you're sure that there is no bottleneck either, then the last solution will be to delete unnecessary files on your computer. You can try these solutions that this guy tried, like an SFC scan, DISM scan, check disk, memory test. It is of no use. Okay, a RAM test may be helpful. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window and type the command mdsched and hit enter, and then click on restart now and check for problems. But this will help in like 3 to 4% cases or 5% cases, because mostly the issue is not with the RAM itself. It may be because of the insufficiency of the RAM, but not because of a corrupt RAM, maybe rarely. This will help you in solving the problem, and if it doesn't solve the problem, then again you'll have to check which process is causing high CPU usage in the task manager as we opened it earlier, and you'll have to Google the solution for that specific task. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.